Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I'm gonna show you how to record your PC or laptop screen without installing any additional softwares in Windows 10 or 11. Here we go. Firstly, you have to go to settings, click on settings and go to gaming, and on that export gaming you can enable and directly you can close it. Open your web browser and press Windows plus Alt plus R for record. Here you can see that it's recording. It's recording. See here. Okay. Then close the recording. And how to access these recorded videos? Go to the settings. Again, gaming. In the Xbox game bar, downside capture, select the capture and open the folder. Here you can see the recorded videos. Thank you for watching this video.